Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TurboTax Deluxe for LLC tax strategy planning, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official TurboTax website. Locate the products menu at the top of the home page. Click on TurboTax Deluxe to view the product details. Confirm that TurboTax Deluxe meets your LLC tax strategy planning needs. Click on the Buy Now button to proceed with your purchase. Choose your preferred version, whether digital download or physical product. If you select the digital version, you will receive a download link once your purchase is complete. Create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Download section to find your purchased software. If you chose a physical product, follow the provided instructions to insert the installation disk. For digital versions, click on the download link to start the installation. Wait for the download to complete, then locate the downloaded file. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install TurboTax Deluxe. When prompted, enter your product key, which is provided in your purchase confirmation. Select Installation Preferences, then choose Install. Allow the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once installation is finished, launch TurboTax Deluxe from your desktop icon or Start menu. Begin by selecting Start a new tax return. Choose your filing status and answer the initial questions about your LLC. Proceed to input your financial information as prompted. Utilize the tax strategy planning tools to maximize deductions and credits available for your LLC. Complete the guided steps to ensure all pertinent information is included. Review your entries thoroughly to confirm accuracy. Finalize your return and follow the prompts to e-file or print your return. Be sure to save a copy of your return for your records. Congratulations! You have successfully installed TurboTax Deluxe for your LLC tax strategy planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.